Hello. Again, welcome to my channel. AI art is any form of art that is created or enhanced with the help of artificial intelligence, AI. This can include images, music, or even video. AI art is created by using algorithms that are trained on large datasets of existing art. These algorithms can then be used to generate new art that is similar to the art that they were trained on. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Lexica AI. Let's start the video. Go to Google and search Lexica. Or simply click on the description link. No, you have entered to Lexica website. Click on the Get Started button in the top right corner. Sign in with your Google account or create a new account. Now we are on Lexica dashboard. This has 4 main sections. Home, this is where you can see trending images, recent searches, and your own likes. Generate, this is where you can create new images from text prompts. History, this is where you can see a history of all the images you've generated. Likes, this is where you can save your favorite images. Now to generate a new image using your text and prompts. Click on the Generate button. And enter a text prompt. Once you've entered your prompt and set your desired dimensions, click on the Generate button. The image will be generated in a few seconds. You can see your images here. Click here to download this image. Here is the option to edit your image. That's all there is to it. Lexica is a powerful tool that can be used to create and find AI-generated images. I hope you enjoy using it. Thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel.